Good morning, children. How are you all? Now we are in reflection of light lesson. Now here a quick recap of the lesson. What is reflection? When the ray of light falls on the mirror, surface of the mirror, it reflects back. This phenomenon is called reflection of light. Always the angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. This is represented by this. Angle of reflection is always equals to angle of incidence. Okay, and the image formed by the mirror right of the object appears to be the left, and left of the object appears to the right. Is called lateral inversions. What do you call it? Lateral inversions. And the distance from the object to a plane mirror is equals to the distance of the object from the mirror. Your object, size of the object is equals to the image formed in the mirror. Okay, already we discussed this also. Now here, plane mirror, single mirror, plane mirror form single image. If we want to form multiple images, how many mirrors are required? 2 mirrors are required. To form multiple images, we need 2 mirrors which will be kept at an angle. Already we discussed this also, multiple images. How many images will be formed with the 2 mirrors. So, when the number of images will be increases when you are decreasing the angle between the 2 mirrors. Okay, we discussed this already. Now here, you have seen here, have you ever observed your image in a rear view mirror? Rear view mirror, what is rear view mirror? See here, when you travel in the bus, see, have you observed the mirrors at both the sides of the driver in motor vehicles like bus, car, or motorcycle? Have you seen the mirrors are there, isn't it? 2 sides you will see the mirrors. 2 sides of the bike you will see the mirrors. 2 sides of the bike you will see the mirrors. These are called rear view mirrors. Have you seen in the bus also? Bus driver also side you will get the mirror, isn't it? Car also you will get the side mirrors. These mirrors are called rear view mirrors. These are called rear view mirrors. Side mirrors are called rear view mirrors. These are called rear view mirrors. So why these? What is the use of rear view mirrors? What is the use of these side mirrors? Why the drivers need the side mirrors or rear view mirrors? These are used by the drivers to see the vehicles coming back or from the sides. For that purpose, the drivers they need side view mirrors or rear view mirrors are required to avoid the accidents. To avoid the accident, these side view mirrors are important, isn't it? The vehicles which are coming behind them or the vehicles which are coming to their sides, to see the movement of the vehicles, the rear view mirrors are important. Without turning their head back, they can see through the rear view mirrors, isn't it? This will avoid the accident, prevent the accidents. Okay. Now here we'll see plane mirrors. Here you will see the plane mirrors. What is the difference between the plane mirror and this rear view mirror? Take your plane mirror and go near the vehicle, bike. Stand near the bike. See your image in the rear view mirror and see the image in the plane mirror. You will see in the plane mirror, same equal size mirror you will see in the plane mirror. But in rear view mirror, your image will be smaller. Diminished image you will see in the rear view mirror. Now here we'll know have you observed reverse image of yourself in any mirror? Yes, you will see the reverse image. Take a spoon. New spoon is required. Take a spoon This is a spoon. This is the outer part of the spoon. This is the inner part of the spoon. Isn't it? So here you are seeing, you take a new stainless spoon, you take it and observe your image in this. Curved shining surface on the side of the mirror. This you see the curved surface inside this and the outer part of the image. Outer part of the spoon. So, how is the image on the inner portion of the spoon and how is the image on the outer part of the spoon? You have to see this. When you look at the inner portion of the spoon, you find the reversed image. You find the reversed image. When you see inside the spoon, inner side of the spoon, you will see the reversed image. When you see the outer part of the spoon, you will see the erect image. You will see the erect image, isn't it? So, and when you look at the outer portion of the spoon, you find the small size image. The image will be small. The image will be small. Now, here. So, what are these mirrors? It acts as a mirrors only. So, here, outer portion of the spoon acts as a convex mirror. And inner part of the spoon acts as a concave mirror. So there are two types of mirrors. There are two types of mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. There are two types of mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Now here you will see how they look. Have you seen these reflecting surfaces? Now here you see the reflecting surfaces of the spoon you see and this convex mirror also you see. Now here see how it will be. This is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. Here the reflecting surface is inside the mirror. Inner portion of the mirror is a reflecting surface in the concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Now coming to convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. The mirrors which contain curved reflecting surface are called spherical mirror. There are two types of mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirrors. Now here what you have to do, take a rubber ball. Spherical, these mirrors are called spherical mirrors. These mirrors are called spherical mirrors. Cut a portion of the ball. Cut a portion of the ball. Cut a portion of the ball. Isn't it? So, how it looks now here, see. This is what you call it. This is what you call it. The reflecting surfaces inside the mirror. It is called as a concave mirror. Reflecting surface of a mirror. Reflecting surface of a mirror is called a concave mirror. And here it is called as a convex mirror. This is the reflecting surface of the mirror. Outer part of the convex mirror is called the reflecting surface of the mirror. Hence these mirrors are called spherical mirrors. So convex or concave mirror is a part of sphere. Is a part of sphere. So these are called spherical mirrors. Sphere. These are called spherical mirrors. Now next coming to, let us form images with spherical mirrors. Now take the spherical mirror. Here. Now here you are taking the V-shaped stand. You are taking a V-shaped stand. This is a V-shaped stand you are taking. In this you are keeping the mirror. Spherical mirror you are keeping in this. And here you are keeping front of the mirror. Okay, this is one. Now next, another mirror you take, another stand you take, V-shaped stand only. In this also, keep the mirror, set the mirror. In this also, set the mirror. Now here also keep a candle. In front of the mirror, keep a candle. Okay. Now, see the images formed in the mirrors. Observe the images formed in the mirror. Adjust this candle till you get the image in the mirror. Isn't it? Adjust the candle till you get the images in the mirror. Isn't it? Observe the size of the images and compare them with the candle size. Here, in this you will get the smaller image in the mirror. You get the smaller image in the mirror. Observe this, isn't it? Now here you cannot spot the image will be bigger. See this. These are the sizes of the images formed in the mirror. Now, arrange these mirrors by using a screen. By using a screen, you have to arrange the mirror. I will explain you how it will be formed. Now, take a V-shaped stand with the, you are seeing this images, you are saying here the image formed is smaller in the mirror, isn't it? In the mirror, smaller than the image. Here you are seeing bigger. Now here you see images formed. Take V-shaped stand with the mirror, fix the mirror. Here now, take a candle, keep in front of the mirror the candle. Keep in front of the mirror candle. Now here, hold the screen, white paper in your hand. This acts as a screen. This acts as a screen. It acts as a screen. White paper. Now set up this candle. Adjust the candle front back till you get the image on the screen. Till you get the image on the screen, adjust it. This is the image formed on the screen. You are seeing the image formed on the screen. Isn't it? So repeat this activity by using the convex mirror also. Repeat this activity by using the convex mirror also. So here what you are observing here is, till you get the clear image on the screen, you have to adjust the candle. Okay. Now the image that can be obtained on a screen, is called a real image. It's called a real image. We can see this image in the mirror too. We can see this image even in the mirror. Okay? Image that can't be obtained on the screen, but you can see in the mirror. But we can see in the mirror, but we cannot obtain the image on the screen, are called virtual images. What do you call it? Virtual images. It is called virtual images. It is called as a virtual images. Virtual images. The images which can be caught on the screen are called real images. The images which we cannot caught on the screen but we can get it in the mirror are called virtual images. Isn't it? You have seen this. So here every day we see our image in a plain mirror. It is a real image only. It is a real image only. Now coming to here, torchlights. We have observed the torchlight or headlights of a vehicle where we use these mirrors. Very important is where we use these mirrors, convex mirrors and concave mirrors. The image formed on the mirror is a real image. The image which we cannot caught on the screen are called virtual images, convex mirrors. Now, here, observe the torchlight or headlight of a vehicle. headlight of a vehicle. Observe it. What you will observe? You notice that concave mirror is there at the back of the bulb. At the back of the bulb, you will see the concave mirror. This is the bulb, isn't it? It is a bulb, and here you will see the mirror. At the back of the bulb of torch light, you will see the mirror. Isn't it? At the back of the torch bulb in torch light, you will see the mirror. You will see the mirror behind the bulb. Due to this concave surface, the brightness of a small bulb is increased. Due to this concave surface, the brightness of the bulb is increased. And this process is even there in the headlights of the vehicles also. Headlights of the vehicles also, behind the bulb you will have the concave surface. Isn't it? So at night, the light will be spread. Brightness of the light will be there in front, so that you can see the movement of the vehicles at night also, at night, isn't it? So now, still where we use this rear view mirrors, we have the convex mirrors, and the headlights we have the concave mirrors. Okay? Dentist, you know, dentists use the mirrors to examine the teeth. The instrument which they use have the concave mirrors to see the inner parts of the teeth. When they observe doctors observe the teeth, the parts looks bigger in size. The parts looks bigger in size, larger in size. So dentists also use these mirrors, isn't it? So they have concave mirrors only. They use concave mirrors to see. Now, in our day-to-day life, we stand in front of the window to observe our images on the glass, isn't it? Sometimes we see our clear images, sometimes we cannot see. Some windows we cannot see our clear images. Frozen glasses will be there in which we cannot see the clear images. Still water is there. Still water means without any disturbance there, you can see the sunshine in the water clearly. The image you will see clearly. Tree image you can see clearly. Just you disturb the water by throwing a stone. What happens? You will see the image will be not clear. Understood? So this difference you will notice. So here the reflection from a smooth surface, here you are seeing this is a smooth surface. This is a smooth surface. The reflection from the smooth surface is called regular reflection. This is called a regular reflection. It is called a regular reflection. The clear images are formed in the regular reflection. Clear images are formed in the regular reflection. Now here, reflection from rough surfaces. Just now I gave example of water. The rays are going somewhere. These are called, this is what you call it, irregular reflection. Reflection from a rough surface or irregular surface is called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection, and this is a regular reflection. So reflection is of two types. Regular reflection and irregular reflection. Regular reflection and irregular reflection. We have seen two types of reflection, isn't it? So here what you have understand in this lesson is, what you understand here, reflection from a smooth surface is called regular reflection, and the reflection from rough surface is called irregular reflection. Understood? So here you have seen the types of mirrors. Convex mirror, and there are two types of spherical mirrors. They are convex and concave mirrors. in concave mirrors. Now when you see, have you observed this rear view mirrors? Diminished images you will see in the convex mirrors, side mirrors. Whenever you go along with your parents on bike or in vehicles, any vehicle, car, you observe the images formed in the rear view mirrors. Small images will be formed. Diminished images you will see. So even in telescope you will see the concave mirrors. It looks bigger. The images looks bigger in size, enlarged size. Okay, so in diminished images are formed, but on the screen you cannot caught the image of any of object by using convex mirrors. Images you can caught on the screen are called real images. Understood? So headlights of vehicles, torch lights will have the concave mirrors. The surface of the mirror, concave mirror, disperse the light. At night, that's why we switch on the light when we are going outside by using vehicle, isn't it? To see the front traffic clearly. So a small bulb gives you more brightness because of this concave surface. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.